In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share QuickBooks Online with your accountant in just a few minutes. Whether it's tax season or you simply need some help managing your books, sharing access with your accountant can make a world of difference. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure everything runs smoothly. First things first, you'll need to open QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once you have the page up, take a moment to locate the sign in button, conveniently placed at the top right corner. It's straightforward and easily accessible. Just click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Here, you'll need to type in your email address and password to access your account. If you find yourself stuck at any point, remember that QuickBooks offers helpful support options to assist you. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the settings. You'll find the settings gear icon usually located at the upper right part of your dashboard. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you should select Manage Users. This section is essential as it allows you to control who has access to your QuickBooks Online account, providing peace of mind that only authorized individuals can view your financial information. Next, within the Manage Users page, you'll spot the Accounting Firms tab. Clicking on this will bring up your options for inviting your accountant to access your QuickBooks account. Look for the invite button on this screen and click it. This feature allows you to seamlessly bring your accountant into the fold with your bookkeeping. Keep in mind that QuickBooks Online allows you to invite up to 2 accountants, so if you have more than one financial advisor, you can accommodate another one as needed. Adding an accountant is as simple as filling in their details. You'll need their first name, last name, and crucially their email address. By inputting these correctly, you're ensuring your invitation reaches the right person, granting them the appropriate access to assist with your financial management. Now comes the final step. Once you've entered all the necessary information, simply click on Save. Double check that everything is correct before doing so. Mistakes in email addresses can lead to delays in your accountant gaining access. After saving, your accountant will receive an invitation with guidance on how to access your QuickBooks Online account, ensuring a smooth transition of information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily share your QuickBooks Online account with your accountant, paving the way for more efficient financial management. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out or check out additional guides for more tips and troubleshooting advice.